Alright, oh.
2 orders, Jack?
Hi there, so we're at Forest Valley Outdoor Education Center with the Toronto District School Board having our wonderful maple syrup open house. It's a real community event, and you can see that we are actually collecting food from the food bank. We're very proud of our students and all the hard work that they do. Maple syrup, a unique Canadian product, and our
I didn't wear my spile.
That's close enough. If you look at this, do you see that brown color? Well, we put all of the sap from the trees into this big pot. And after a while, all the water comes off. We boil it. So all the steam is water. Do you know what the brown color is? Oh, not quite syrup, it's sugar. Sugar from the tree. So after a few hours of boiling it in here, we put it into this pot. Now this pot, once they boil it a little bit, see how much browner it is? Do you see the brown color? It's a lot browner, so there's a lot more sugar in it. That's water. After, right there. That's exactly right. Now do you see how brown this is? Oh, so this is getting really close to maple syrup. Once a lot of the water comes off here, we're going to have really thick, really brown maple syrup.
I worked here when it first opened in 1968. And I came for the last 2 months of the year, and there were many, many students coming here. And it was very different from what it is today, although today it's just unreal, the wonderful changes they've made in Forest Valley. And today is a very special day.
Alright.
Just don't get that down too close to the fire.
That's right, don't get too close to the fire, yeah.
You want to walk a little bit? Here we go.
Bye.